This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachordes. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Doubts around the resilience of the economic recovery returned to haunt financial markets on Tuesday, dragging Wall Street lower and propelling the haven-like dollar higher as investors trimmed their risk exposure ahead of what seems like a rocky few weeks. Signs are mounting that the latest reclosures in the most populous U.S. states have put the brakes on the economy's comeback, with weekly data released by the New York Fed yesterday pointing to a renewed dip in growth. Fed officials recognized as much too, with regional Fed presidents Bostic and Mester both using the same exact phrase that the economic activity is leveling off rather than recovering. This sets the stage for a dire set of July economic data out of America, which will hit the markets right after a potentially disastrous earnings season and hot on the heels of a congressional battle about more government aid. Yet nerves have calmed on Wednesday, with the dollar inching back lower and equity markets regaining their footing as investors look at the silver lining of all this, which is that death rates aren't rising even though cases are. But it was the British pound that outshined its G10 peers yesterday, drawing strength from a blend of encouraging Brexit news and expectations for another round of fiscal stimulus. On the Brexit front, the chief negotiators had dinner yesterday to try and kickstart the deadlocked talks, while some reports suggested that the EU may be willing to compromise on the hot issue of fishing rights. More importantly, though, Chancellor Sunak will deliver an update on the government's budget today, where he is expected to announce a new work placement scheme that pays the wages of young people for 6 months. The most standout move yesterday, though, was gold gliding to new highs last seen in 2011, despite the US dollar being broadly stronger as well. This is wonderful news for the bulls, as it demonstrates that gold's gains weren't because of the dollar, but rather despite it, signaling powerful organic demand for bullion. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.